Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review and show you how this juicer works. We've had this for a while now and I was about to make myself some juice and I thought it would be cool to just share this video with you and show you how amazing this thing is. There is one thing though that I think you guys should know before buying, and I'll be talking about it by the end of this video. So it's very easy to use this cold press juicer. You have right here the start and stop button, the hold to reverse. Right here, that's where you put the fruits and veggies. They have this anti-drip little thing right here on the bottom that you close to not have any drip, and then you have to open this up when you are making juice. And right here is the cup that will hold all the pulp and all the fruits and stuff that you're actually not using, that it's not going to your juice. And yeah, I love this juicer. I never had problems clogging, which is one of the things they advertise. They talk about how amazing this is, that never clogs, and I've never had any issues, so that's pretty amazing. And it's very quick as well. This thing is so quick to make juices, very, very powerful. I'm gonna show you right now. So these are the things I'm gonna use for my juice. Kale, I have celery right here, cucumber, ginger, apple, and lemon. So I'm gonna use all of these ingredients and show you myself making some juice so you can see the power of this thing. And here is my juice. And by the way, I am using the filter that holds all of the pulp. I don't really like pulp in my juice. So as you can see, it's right here, almost a full cup. But you can also choose, they give you two filters. So they give this one that is already inside, which is a black one, and this orange one that allows you to have more pulp in your juice. So, you know, they give you the option, which is great, but I only use the black one. But yeah, you guys saw how great and fast and powerful this thing is. Now let's talk about the one important thing I think you guys should know before buying. One thing I noticed right here, like I said, this thing doesn't clog. I've had this for a while. I make juices every single week. But when you're, processing the juice, you have to peel everything you're putting inside. It's kind of tough to do this with the skin. I noticed when I tried to make apple juice, and I didn't peel the apples, I noticed that it wasn't juicing very well. I didn't have a lot of juice. And then I tried another day the same amount of apples, but without the skin. And I noticed that, the juicer actually worked a lot better. So just make sure that you peel everything before putting in the juicer. But overall, I love this thing. Very fast, efficient. And here it is, my juice. Best juicer I ever had. Yeah, I highly recommend this.